Indian Army's Major Radhika Sen's determination to promote peace and gender equality amidst conflict zones has earned her wide admiration, garnering global recognition. In a major accomplishment, Major Radhika Sen has been selected to receive the prestigious 2023 Military Gender Advocate of the Year award by the United Nations on Thursday. UN Secretary General Antonio Guterres spokesman Stephanie Dujarric made the big announcement praising Major Sen as a true leader and role model. UN Secretary General Antonio Guterres applauded Major Sen for her outstanding work, emphasizing her modesty, compassion and commitment to working with communities affected by conflict. He underlined how significantly she established trust and promoted gender-sensitive peacekeeping techniques. Her transformation from a biotech engineer to a ray of hope amidst the chaos of the Democratic Republic of the Congo demonstrates the transformative power of empathy and willpower. The award honors the work of a military peacekeeper in advancing the goals of the 2000 Security Council resolution, which mandates the UN's gender-related responsibilities and calls for the protection of women and girls from sexual violence associated with conflicts. Major Sen was deployed in March 2023 to the United Nations Organization Stabilization Mission in the Democratic Republic of the Congo, where she was assigned to the Indian Rapid Deployment Battalion and held the position of Engagement Platoon Commander until completing her tenure in April 2024. During her deployment period, Sen demonstrated remarkable leadership and unwavering commitment to promoting peace and security, particularly for women and girls. She also played a vital role by ensuring peacekeepers operate with empathy, fostering trust within communities and exponentially amplifying their mission's efficacy. Sen is the second Indian peacekeeper to receive this prestigious award, following Major Suman Guvani, who served with the UN mission in South Sudan and was honored with the United Nations Military Gender Advocate of the Year award in 2019. While Major Sen believes that gender-sensitive peacekeeping is not just women's but everybody's business, she asserts that peace begins with all of us in our beautiful diversity. On reacting to the accolades she is going to receive at the global stage, Sen said that the award is special to her as it gives recognition to the hard work put in by all the peacekeepers working in the challenging environment of DRC and giving their best to bring a positive change in the society. The UN award Sen is to receive not only recognizes her efforts in line with the 2000 Security Council resolution aimed at protecting women and girls from conflict-related sexual violence, but also adds to the national pride which all Indians are already celebrating across platforms. The ceremony will take place on the International Day of UN Peacekeepers.